about like Jesus being born and like the journey of it.
Had the
when like Jesus was born, like in the stable.
Well, there's when Jesus was born. He was born in Christmas on the 25th.
The story of Christmas is when Jesus was born.
Santa Claus was making Christmas trees.
Like a cave?
I don't know that.
Was it like a stable? I don't remember. Yeah, I think so.
Wait, let me think about it.
I forget what it's called, but it was like a carrot, sort of. But it was like made out of like sort of hay or something.
Okay.
A stable.
In something like a barn or like in a farm where like not really in a farm but like somewhere where the animals were at.
A stable.
I don't usually go to that scripture.
Wait, Mary?
Mary.
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 Bobby.
One of the angels. Her husband. I forget their name.
An angel. A baby.
An angel.
Angel Gabriel.
Angel Gabriel.
Angel told her in her dream, right, that like she was going to have a baby soon, and then when her dream was done, like she had a baby, I think.
Bethlehem.
Jerusalem?
Bethlehem.
Nazareth? Or Jerusalem? Bethlehem. Okay.
Like it was a horse, like, I don't know.
It looked like a horse to me. A donkey.
A donkey? A donkey?
A donkey. A donkey.
Jesus.
A cheetah?
Yeah. I forget his name. I know it's a guy.
Santa.
I don't remember who they were, but I remember that there was 3 people.
The 3 wise men?
The 3 kings?
The 3 wise men.
God. The animals. From the star. The light, like, of Jesus getting born, like a signal. By a star?
By following like this star, like a big star kind of.
Because there was a star in the sky that lead them to it.
By the star of Bethlehem.
God. There was a star in the sky.
Santa Claus?
The Grinch and Rudolph.
Lego.
I like a lot of Christmas movies.
Rudolph and nothing. It's definitely not the Grinch. I hate the Grinch. But
I'm not sure. I don't know if I really do have a favorite Christmas movie.
Home Alone. I don't know. Everything.
That you get to see like your cousins or like people that you know in your family and you get presents.
I like how we get to celebrate how Jesus was born and that we get to mostly hang out with our family sometime, and it's really fun.
Spending time with family, like together in the house and opening gifts with them and like being happy.
God. Being with family and giving them like gifts, because that's what I do sometimes. Spend time with my family.
Is how you get to spend time with your family, open gifts with your family, watch Christmas movies.
Well, my favorite thing is that we get to be together as a family.
All like with warm stuff on me, drinking hot cocoa and watching a bunch of Christmas movies.
I don't know. How are you even supposed to do that?
Outside.
Inside? I don't know, watch a movie, maybe play a game.
Have hot chocolate. And maybe make gingerbread houses. Eat hot cocoa. Drink hot cocoa. And also like maybe sleep.
I would like see if like I'd ask my siblings if they would like to play or anything, or like play with the presents that we got together, and like what and have like hot chocolate and stuff.
Watching a movie, playing all my video games. Just playing in the snow, making something.
Inside?
Probably.
Holy night.
Holy night. I haven't been listening to that song.
I don't know what kind of language this is.
Holy night. Is that the way it's... Okay.
Holy night.
I can't answer songs like that. I cannot. Hey, good. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hey,